melody of different instruments, a new style of an ancient music composition. The sound of the steppe is eternity, and the history will never end. Watch the program Sounds of the Great Steppe on Kazakh TV. If there is an old man in your village, it means you have got a written letter. This saying describes the wide horizon and big experience that a person who has lived a long life. Today in arts, there are not many experienced people. Nurbek Adilbekuly is one of them. He has so many talents. He sings, mastered wrestling, and is a skilled craftsman who works well with wood. The 20th century is the golden age of Kazakh songs when the artists were so talented. They made their own dombras, tamed their horses, and could be art critics. Nurbek is the person who continues the art of those nights.
Kazak'ta мәтел бар ғой. Ер адам бір сырлы сегіз қырлы дейді ғой.
The Kazakhs have the saying with 8 different traits and 1 talent. They say everything comes from Allah and nature. I am grateful for everything. I am a wrestler. This is also a talent. I have taken part in many contests starting from shepherds' gatherings to the Republican competitions. In 1974, I hurt my leg and stopped this activity. My grandmother, Batsai, used to make caps embroidered by golden threads. She has brought up her 3 sons, Jibek, Adilbek, and Jibek this way. My so-called elder father is Jibek, after him is Adilbek, and the youngest is Jibek. Jibek's son, Muratbek Junizbekov, is the singer and my teacher. He graduated from Jibek Yelibekov's class in 1971. He took me to Jibek's class in January of 1975. Jibek argues, saying that I was too old, too big, and slow. It was a winter day and I was wearing felt boots. Then he asked which song among Madi's works I knew, and I'm told I knew Karagali. Jibek was glad with the answer. I saw Garike there for the first time. What about Bijan's works? Jibek asked. Bijan is the father and master of all songs. I know Jean Bota, I said. After I sang some lines from Jean Bota, he said he found a singer boy, and he welcomed me to his class. As Shashibai said, I am singing my songs among my people. I am also sharing my talents and songs with my nation.
Содан Біржаннан не білесің дейді. Ән атасы Біржан ғой. Соны айттым, Жан Ботасын білемін дедім. Жан Ботаның бір ауызын айтқан ең, міне, көрдің ғой, мен бала тауып алдым деп. Содан мен студияға кіргізді. Шашыбайдың айтқаны, халқымның арасында ән салып жүрмін деп. Сол сияқты халқымның арасында осы өнер көрсетіп, әнімді айтып жүрмін. Ayımda sen Aliyoy, günümde sen oy, on kabağım otarda. Külümde sen benim köngülüm Aliyoy, davalasın oy, halkan diyem o sevgilim. Deyimdesin, uypırmay jan sevlimi qariyay betіңнен. Әппақ қардай етіңнен. Bir gün ауру, bir gün сау, жазылдың baң, дертімнен. Енді әркім әрқатай айтады, ерекшелігі.
Everyone has his own style of performing. One of special ones is Jibek's style. Jibek Adilbekuly is the national artist. Amire also has his own style. Nurbek's is different and Jibek's is special on its own way as well.
Unutarsın, unutarsın, uypırmay can sevdimi kaliyay betingen. Hep karday yedingen. Bir gün ağrı, bir gün sağ, şazıldın ben o derdim. Галия деген енді қарасаңшы, мен бір мысалды айтып берейін. Қажымқан балуаншылыққа кездескенде үйіне қашан мен Галия жеңгемді көрсетесің деген ғой. Көрдің ба?
I want to share one example. When Kazakh met Baluan Shalak, he asked him to show his wife Galia. One day he agreed and brought Kazakh to his own house and told Galia that her brother-in-law came. Galia came out from the house and helped with settling the horse. When he saw her, Kazakh told Baluan, "Brother, this woman whom you compared with the sun and the moon is the simple black-skinned woman." Baluan replied him, saying he will understand later. Kazakh stayed for a week there, and when he was leaving, he told Baluan, Galia, she really has no outer but inner beauty and a beautiful soul. This is so great. And I was amazed by your respectful relationships and the mother's kindness. Baluan Shalak described the black woman as, "You have the white body, one day sick and one day healthy. Have you got cured from your illness?" This means love. A person even wears with love the clothes. And what is this love for a person like? So it can be as a good song if you do not express the love from your heart. I feel this way.
Köylüktü de unatıp giyesin bugün. Rас mı? Kiyimді unatıp giyesin, adamның unatынымы қандай болады. Сол сияқты ғашықтық дүниемен жүрегіңмен жеткізбесең, ән болмайды. Солай деп сезінемін мен. Ayttım sәлем, қызбайын деп мақпалдың айтқан сертін бұзбайын деп. Ой, көйлектің көк алалар, жеңін шалып алдымнан мақпал, шықса о біздайын деп. Мақпал-ай мақпал көк, әй көкем, әй көкем, мақа қайри ай көк. Қыз мойын қаршыға төс секілдім ай, түскенде сен есіме беу өкіндім ай. Мана Алакөлдің бер жағында Көктұма деген жер бар. Сол жерде араб.
There's a place called Koktuma near the Alakol lake. There lived a singer called an Arab poet. At those times, poets and singers had close relationships, so did Arab poets and a set. He learned the song from a set and used to sing it. My mother's father was a mayor, Abdilda, and she was his only daughter. Their house was visited by many singers and poets. My mother learned this song from the Arab, and I learned Makpal from her later. 1983 to 1985, there was still the Taldykorgan Oblast. I have told Danesh Rakeshev, with whom we used to work at the Regional Philharmonic, that I wanted to record the song on the radio and asked his opinion. I needed to receive permission from him. He highly appreciated a set and told me I could record it, naming it was the second version, since his version was the first and had already passed. So the history is like this, and it is actually the first version.
Сол маған айтты, екінші түрі деп жазып бере бер, менікі бірінші өтіп кеткен. Бірақ тарихы осындай, ең алғашқы основасы. Мойын қаршыға төс секілдім ай, Түскенде сен есіме беу өкіндім әнді түсініп айту керек.
You need to sing the song fully understanding its meaning. There's a story of Jibek. When there was a question regarding giving the award to Shamshi, some people argued, telling he did not have any academic degree and could not be offered the award. Jibek said, "Not everyone shouting is a singer. Not every composer is like Shamshi. Songs are like human beings. One is short, one is tall, while others are black or white. The same way the song has its own appearance, own personality which it should follow to express correctly."
ән болмайды. Біздің ауыл текшенің етегінде ерте шықсам ауылға жетемін бол сары бидай сағындым қалқа ауылымда. Ақтан еміренті бір искетсең айналақтап ауылым кетемін ол сары бидай сағындым қалқа ауылымда. Есіктің алды талғайын, басында тұрмас жаздайын, сарбидай еске түскенде, сарбидай әнін сағынып сонда салған. Сарбидай туралы енді.
If we talk about the song Sari Bidai, Yellow Wheat, since I worked with Dakien, I need to learn his songs. Many singers sing his hunter's song. I found it difficult to learn the song's words, so I learned the Sari Bidai song from Dinesh.
Үйрену қиын болды, мен көз кішкене нетем сөз үйрену қиын. Мына сары бидайды Дәнеш ағадан үйрендім. Бекер жеркен сары бидай сағындым қалқа ауылымдай. Атары тап алыстан келгенімде Маралдай керіліп, шықсаң жеркен сары бидай сағындым қалқа ауылымдай. Есіктің алды қарағай, қалқаның көңілі жаралай, қалқада еске түскенде, жүрегім от боп, жүрегім шоқ боп жанады. Есіктің алды талғайын, басында тұрмас жаздайын, сарбидай еске түскенде, сарбидай әнін сағынып сонда салған.
Whether this is about the song or about the mood, there cannot be any good result without the respect and love. The illiterate person, the one who does not have any idea, who is laughing at others and is huffish, will always follow what the crowd says, said Abai. Nurbek is one of the first students of Jibek Adilbekuly. He had received the blessing of Garifullah Kurmangaliev. The old man who turned 70 is still a skilled singer. This is the highest professionalism when you feel and sing the song from all your heart, and the person who always has his domber with him cannot live without singing. For Nurbek, this song is the beauty of life in the world of feelings. These old men are the wealth of the Kazakh folk song world. They learned to sing not from notes but from folk, and since childhood studied from talented people of their villages. That is why the graduates of the Kazakh Steppes art school are talented and special on their own. That is why the Kazakh songs are so valuable and folk art will last forever.